In the series of Stay Home, Stay Safe, we are going to study the poem for class 11, a photograph composed by Shelley Tolson. Let's have to consider the common assets. Why this title of the poem has been kept again after just the lesson, The Portrait of a Lady. What is common between the two? One lesson and one poem. Let us have to think. This is the word picture given in prosaic method is portrait of lady. But the same word picture or imagery or pictorial effect that has been given in the poem a photograph. Three main stages of life. One is past, one is present, and one is future. Actual position is that the poet Shelley Tolson looks at the cardboard. What is the cardboard? Cardboard is photograph. How many persons were standing in the photograph? In photograph, three figures, 1, 2, 3. Were standing, shown to be standing. This was the mother of the poet. Near about her age was 12 years of age. So in this sequel, the young age of life has been shown. And she was standing in the mid-side. One hand was held by one girl cousin and second hand was also held by another girl cousin. All three were standing at the sea. So this cardboard, after seeing this photograph, the poet was capable to show the three phases of life. First, past. Past event is that because the photograph was taken when the mother of the poet was 12 years or near about that. How it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. Paddling is what? Paddling is walking on the shallow water of the sea. It is known as paddling. Each one holding. What is each one? One girl cousin on this side and second was this side. Holding one of my mother's hand. This was the photograph taken when the writer's mother or the poet's mother was very young. And she the big girl. Who is the big girl? It is the mother of the poet. Some 12 years or so. 12 years means near about this age. The writer is not, the poet is not confident whether the accurate age of her mother, that's why he is talking about some 12 years. All three stood, all three persons. Total number of the person present in the photograph were 3. And stood still to smile, peaceful state because it was a snapshot. Look at this, through their hair. This shows that their hair were also not trimmed. They were also wet with the ocean water or sea water. And they were looking at the uncle with the camera. Uncle with the camera is photographer who was trying to take their snapshot. A sweet face, whose face is called to be a sweet. It is the face of the mother. Sweet face. My mother's. Whose mother it is? The poet's mother. The poet is talking about his own mother. That's why we can say it is subjective poetry. Subjective poetry, I told you is that kind of poetry in which the poet shares his own experiences. That was before. This photograph was taken before I was born. It means the writer's mother or the poet's mother was very small age, young age. And the sea, they were studying the sea, which appears to have changed less because sea is a natural element and that never changes in itself. And it was the water of the sea that was washing their terribly transient peak. Terribly transient. Transient means momentary or short-lived. Human race is called as short-lived. This shows that their life or existence upon the surface of the earth was very short. Some 20-30 years later, look at this word. Letter is one. One letter means afterward. And second letter, L-A-T-T-E-R, that which comes after. So this letter is related to this letter. Okay, some 20-30 years, this duration was passed away 20-30 years later when his mother was married, and when she looked at the snapshot, this was the memory of her childhood days. That's why this was the young age. Okay, so one is childhood days, one is young age, and the two girl cousins of the mother were Betty and Dolly. These are the two names mentioned in the photograph. And they were dressed for the beach. It means this was a day of celebration or enjoyment for which all three went to the sea beach. The sea holiday. They were celebrating their holiday on the seashore. This was her past. And third thing, the writer is studying mine is her laughter, because he is not present or she is not present at the time. With the labored ease of loss. This is the loss period. Labored ease. Human life is full of labor. Ease of loss. And everything is getting its value to be lost after the passing of long time. Now she has been dead. Third stage is death. So one stage is childhood, one stage is young age, and third stage is death. These three stages have been shown through the poem. As that girl did. That girl means near about 12 years at that time. That was passed after her death. And of this circumstance, what is the circumstance? The circumstance that is shown on the photograph. There is nothing to say. Now the poet is not capable to say anything about the photograph because it was full of silence, and it was also silencing the mind of the poet. This is the theme of the entire poem. Thank you very much. Class 11.